My dear viewers, welcome back to Changfied YouTube channel, your trusted source for latest updates across South Sudan and beyond. Today we have a serious update coming from Northern Burglaries, Warabi State, the United Nations Security Council, and the African Union Summit in Ethiopia. We'll talk about a man arrested with 500 illegal guns. We'll talk about a burglar caught with stolen phone and cash. And third, we'll talk about youth violence during night drum gathering. And fourth, we'll talk about the United Nations warning South Sudan. And finally, we'll talk about President Salva Kiir Mayardit traveling to Ethiopia. Please watch until the end because every story connects to one big issue: security and stability in South Sudan. If you believe in peace and development for South Sudan, make sure you like this video and share it. Do not forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell, so whenever we upload a new video, you can be notified. Let me begin our report with the 500 illegal firearms seized in Aweil in South Sudan. This is a very serious story. Police in Northern Burglaries State have arrested a 30-year-old man accused of transporting 500 illegal firearms. The arrest happened in Nyamlel town, Aweil County. The suspect was reportedly traveling toward Aweil town when authorities intercepted him. Police say the man is a civilian, not a soldier. It wasn't he as SPDF soldier or a police. He was just ordinary person. According to investigator, the weapon were allegedly brought from the River Kir area near the Sudan border. The recovered gun include AK-47 rifles and other firearms. Officials have not yet released the full list because investigations are still ongoing. Let us pause and think 500 guns, that is not a small number. When you look at it, that is enough to arm a whole community. Authorities say the suspect planned to sell the weapon on the black market. He is now in custody and being questioned by the Criminal Investigation Department in Aweil. The case will later be handed to prosecutors. So why this matter? Just 1 week before this arrest, the state government ordered all civilians to register their guns and get legal licenses. Despite that order, illegal weapons are still circulating. Security officials say these weapons are increasing. Communal fighting, army robbery, night ambushes, road attack. Many residents are worried. Some communities members are calling for stronger patrol and stricter enforcement. In Trish County, local authorities can even introduce a temporary ban on night drumming. They believe some criminals use the noise as cover to plan for commit crime. They are doing that to plan or to commit a crime in the society. This shows how serious the security situation is becoming. My viewer, what do you think? Should the government of South Sudan increase security operation? Comment below. Let's move on to our second top story. Burglar arrested in Kwajok. Now we move to Kwajok town in Warabi State. 2 suspects have been arrested for breaking into business and stealing phone and cash. According to the town mayor, the suspect targeted a phone charging center. They reportedly stole 30 mobile phones. 30 mobile phones. After that, they went to a nearby shop. Police say the suspect climbed onto the roof, removed iron sheets, and entered the shop from above. They allegedly stole 1 million South Sudanese pounds. That is a huge loss for a small business owner. But here is what happened next. A town patrol unit responded quickly. They recovered the stolen phones. The suspects are now in custody and will appear in court. After the arrest, several traders came forward claiming they also lost property in previous incidents. However, the mayor says only cases with evidence will be handled in court. This shows something important. Crime affect business. When business suffer, the economy suffer. When the economy suffers, families suffer. So security is not only about safety, it is also about economic growth. Well, let's move on to our third top story, violent at night drum gathering. In another incident in northern Bargazal, at least 5 youths were arrested after violence broke out during traditional night drum gathering in Gok Machar town. Police say the young men started a fight. Several people were injured. Some victims were stabbed and are currently receiving medical treatment. 6 suspects have been arrested. Others are still being searched for. The police inspector urged young people to avoid violence. He said many families are already facing economic hardship and fighting only make things worse. This is a serious social issue. Young people need jobs, they need education, they need opportunities. When youth feel frustrated, violence can increase, and this is something leaders must address carefully. Let's look at the United Nations won South Sudan. Now let us move to international news that affect South Sudan. The United Nations Security Council expressed concern about rising violence in South Sudan. The Council also warned that closing 2 major UN peacekeeping bases could weaken protection efforts. The bases are located in Aweil and Bentiu. These are important areas that have experienced conflict in the past. The peacekeeping mission in South Sudan is known as United Nations Mission in South Sudan. Security Council members and say shutting down these bases could make it harder to protect civilians, deliver humanitarian aid, and maintain stability. However, the South Sudan government say the issue is about national sovereignty. The government believe it has the right to decide on foreign military presence inside the country. There are ongoing discussions about reducing peacekeeping forces. The UN is currently drawing down some troops. Well, but the Security Council says cooperation is very important. They are calling for dialogue. They are also reminding all parties that serious crime can be prosecuted under international law. This is a sensitive issue. On one side, sovereignty, on the other side, security and civilian protection. My view, this is not simple. It requires calm discussion and national unity. Let's move on. President Salva Kiir Mayadi traveled to Ethiopia. According to the report, President Salva Kiir Mayadi has traveled to Addis Ababa, Ethiopia. He is attending the 39th ordinary session of the African Union Assembly. The summit is focusing on sustainable water management, sanitation under Africa long-term development plan. While there, President Salva Kiir Mayadi is also expected to attend a meeting of the C5 committee. This C5 committee, it is a group, and this group includes South Africa, Algeria, Chad, Nigeria, Rwanda. The committee supports South Sudan peace process under the 2018 Reply Peace Agreement. Discussion may include security reform in South Sudan, political instability, and preparation for future elections. Diplomatic engagement is very important at this time. Regional cooperation helps prevent conflict. Now let us connect everything we see. Illegal gun being seized in South Sudan, burglar and theft, use violence, UN concern about security, government leader attending regional meetings in Addis Ababa. All of this story point to one major issue: security and stability in South Sudan. Without security, investor will not invest, business will not grow, youth will not find job, and development will slow down. But there is also hope. Police are making arrests, stolen property is being recovered. Diplomatic discussions are happening. Regional leaders are engaging. change does not happen in one day. It takes cooperation, it takes law enforcement, it takes leadership, and it takes citizens choosing peace. To the young people watching this, violence is not the answer. Crime may look quick money, but prison is not freedom. A criminal record can destroy your future as a young man. Instead, learn a skill, start a small business, work together, and build a community. South Sudan needs builders, not destroyers. For our leader, citizens want safety, federal want protection, and youth want opportunity. Security operation must continue, but economic development must also grow. Peace agreement must be respected. Dialogue must continue. My dear viewers, today news reminds us that South Sudan is at an important moment. There are challenges, but there are also efforts being made. Let us stay informed, let us stay peaceful, let us stay united. If you found this update helpful, please like this video, share it with your friend, subscribe if you are new. This Changfied News bringing you real stories across the country. Biakamal Guasame, Changfied YouTube channel, bana right katin konalat Karodian. Te kon kariponi, te shop ka di te banaling, kariponi ti ke very important, ki ka to goliang. Bana right kamenyam, te ke wud mishayen jel ke meti shop ko kudang diich. Ban right tin, te ke chur te chi telephone nen ko kinikan ga kwal. Namo wati ke violent mujito kam ngana Karodian ka war gwad mudway Ken Bolton. Bawa ke kui United Nation ka warning an top kana man kam kana kuma South Sudan. Bawa ke kui President Salva Kiir yadit ka wede ka Addis Ababa gwadan choten ka Africa Union Summit. Bana kelinka ripone titi. Mi ajira mi jidit gwasa me gora no jin bi subscribe ka bi notification bi arbi to comment mi shi bare chamala shi bikeje. Chana jo nyam chana jeling gwasa me. Jala no chamme ti chopu kudang de shaka kef. Ngai kona me very serious. Rami jel ka me tu kudang de. Riga me tuoga kanosan Burglaries state. Shala de no ne shi police ni shi kan wud me te karuni jandang dok ji kana kef. A jelle ka me tu chop ka kudang de. La 500 illegal firearms. Kan me te to jelle ka ja nanga kere wuja dan ente jang tegaten. Jen yan ka ja Kenyam Lil Town, Aweil County, and Ramamo men cha kep kamech awajen we dorshal ka Aweil Town. Ajen gwadran wa kap chung tenating corner te ka long re which winimi ka nosan Burglaries. Shwa yu kep ka shwa yu yen shwa metin corner te ka je shwa ka shu intercept ka shwa yu kan. Remain to wajele AK-47 AK-47 rifle. Kana meti cocaine. Te nanga ka Aweil. Jala den wo shi officially you kept chayo yen. Chana jamin go do badan de konen kaja. 500 guns committing one, you know, and dong there and there ka kwal ke there ka nang we mean that don't take the core ko la kabde that should be the question. Kabe ke di kie we ka nong gwa da dien ka wa ka ko we dien. So much it no more much to chala do ne ka 500 dio je wul community ngwa da mo de kan ka mo ka match cher mangai kone and ne 500 ne ti kudang bi ti me to chi je ka dong benero jel kel ka match we mean that we ne ka ne ti chup ko kor che community ke li che mo ka match ke jen dak we dia na mo chajo mo chajalat chala do ram mo chaja nan ko kot amenemi chaja look no ko jena wa do bada nanga mi ti chup kudang de ke je go no dong de community de go nyin kam ne ken ko jang na karo dire wishim ne mi wajen dong derek der ko nung der tine dum wane lana peka ko wer ke makana ke der te ko ken to la kor kam tuk deli na mo chalat mi ci to na mo report de na bana nyoko menen kono gwas me bana right ka dar shwal ke kwa jak town ka warab state chala do ne na te ka ne ti sha business ne nat cha kwakien cha ka tulduel ka chikan kwaki kan ka kwal even chala jenene authorities ray which in ginami ka kwajok town ka warap state an chala do nena wa shuri ka ban ka war chikan tuk ki gwal danda kwak tigatin marital ponu ray duel wa chi ka ban ka chika kot ka wi duel shu kan kor ki iron sheet and dan and cha min la roof wa chu kan dak mi chi go ray duel chi kan tal ponu shu gojan dang jok shu kan ka kwal ala smartphone third mobile phone ti shu kan ka kwal and when mobile chala do shi ka yuri shu ka 1 million South Sudanese pound shu kan ka nyok ka manang ken ka ka tal pon nang jok ka yuti 1 million South Sudanese pound ka yuti 1 million kona wa wi duel chi kan wus kanyal chi chura jamo ka yu kan ro yu kan kwal chala do na me a huge loss ka business ten tiene ke small business ten kono ngwe ke jeno de karodian long wana mo arid mi chitwo ka report chala da kan kon tila police ni chala do cha churo ya ga kap cha chure akaf ka cha talpon to cha ka kan ka cha ka kan bo men yotin kon kan ka kwal cha ka kun chure to man yakula dene wache te ne to ko kende la ji business ne ti ben nyal ko gor kano de kwakken cha kon kwal gwan mi shewe de ga la du shure to cha ju no ne bana ra ke bedene shure chi kwallo cha kef ke bedene so nyu kun kan ga je ka ane to so mi chit gana me ngai kona sure ever community mi che tok ten la business la ka daka jala lat kanu a community jal kel mi te ke sure mi te ke area a kap ke je ke a gor ke je anaro ke shema na dien ka gota kona te ke tin mat ke tin ga tap ka kwang a gor ka ko ba ja kap chong jala goro ba community ba ja war na la na the choose ko mi share ek cha je palten mi cha gora re ko mo ba je solve na me agenda na choda la dino one ka reported audience jen dar chalno san bar gazal chara do ne cha ngwen shop ke di cha ka yen gwa mi ma chukor cha to kam dien wa cha den yat ka war dar chala gog ma cha town cha report mo cha jala de ken no wa ngwen cha den yat cha ko la do ne wa doi ken bol ka war men den cha gu jeno ne wa yang men la kana magula let ka war ko cha bukul nga jeno te dole tol ken ke ke te ka kwak kwal ken ke la ral ken ka ral mi di long chala do bi authority bi kana caption no mo kan wane ko gwa da na chi ko nyin tin ngane wa churin yat no ka sakine ken churin yas ke charen mu ka bor di tagu jeno na mo che chong badil caption ko de ngane de kan mech de kan bolde kan ka doi ka war shit ka ngara war wana mo adop ko cha bele ling re ka chang te ram mai ken so chang chinala rol bo kwa cha bele ling ne te ko ken bam num bit ping ka war wa de rol mo ton jitu de je maling de polin de kan be ka de ne ro de ka kep so na me a report andara de yen ling was mene wanne ka United Nation the United Nation cha warning cha je tup shika kuma South Sudan kana mo ka warning bana ka ku international news the United Nation chikan South Sudan kana mo ka warning madit kata dana shikor she tolrar ga jere ka South Sudan ka jongle ka United State ka panal gonna dial nyen kuma SSPDF nyenye ke kuma SPLIO ka kuma SSPDF negatin kon tin la civilian wanga dul ken ka ku na ku ka target cha gujin no mo che chon ko kuma South Sudan cha ko mo ke woni ngono ne ala base nu kun ba ka gek te ke base dang ro de chalat gwas me te chala do ba gek ala wow ba gek unimis bentio base wa ba ka gek ken ben dang ro te wa ba ka gek cha wala do ne mi bi United Nation ka gek nyo de no bna bi ki chuch ko kan gota content kun tignat ko letin mi jojo gwano dekan ka right now cha gujin obi rek to ko long chinat chigan bi survive ana mo report mi chalat ano bezin konen ba gek e bezite ka wow kan e bezite ka bentio ka these are important areas ko gan kan tignat so UN peacekeeping mission entre ka South Sudan la no bi na bi kan ka gang ba tama mi che kan no chika na chika ne bugang ba beje mat ko kan it content kwa civilian kwa for take kan it content kwa humanitarian kwa ga deliver ala ko na sham ka kana wala kala kanu ngone so me jo gwan wo jen kare wich na me nyodi no bna bi ku chui ke chon medit ka kan it connect ko mi to la re na bar kudien bna la kudien and then bi ga mo bo tok Baranta Mariko South Sudan coach wewe chijiwi analar no ngweno South Sudan ba all the humanitarian aids baga kapchong coach kircha no kono te mal magor no ben ga South Sudan ka ngana kwa panish ngwada kwa panish ni gartiene kwa panish ni man kwa panish ni ditin kono je ka net kana wal ka kuma ji humanitarian so me joy gwana bu gana gagbna bi chuch so na me report me chala do bi kana lak one ka final report President Salva Kiir yadi chawe ke Ethiopia Self became a yadi to work Ethiopia ke shanga wal joka pairo ron kin dangro jandang red buckle. Jen watch when winami ko ba dol and jandogud bang one dien ordinary session ka Africa Union Assembly ba jo attend and gather me. And some midamo wa big focus ka kwipin. Ala water management ngai kon water management dung pine wa dung pine ka Africa very important. Ano ngai kona climate change wa bu ko right ka jen kije mona chanyo kala do ne be president self care mi yati de wa bu go te ka dol mi chale CS5 group mete South Sudan teten ki te South Africa tin Algeria chat Nigeria ke Rwanda wa point den kuma South Sudan ma right ke kira wa kirba wa piran gwadumi ka do dan be focus tin ke men bu kana lat bu la bu ni kan ka ku ran to re ka South Sudan kana peace agreement da na cha tan Ken committee the C5 committee KC5 group tine ala South Africa ka Algeria ka Chad ka Nigeria ka Rwanda wa weekend no be ken kuma South Sudan be ken o kep ko bom ke be ken a pressure ko ba mal ba jenong so katin kon be ken ga discuss by the way a security reform re ka South Sudan political stability ka South Sudan ken a preparation for future election jokati be ken within ta dan the security situation the area like kaja ta dan de ne de kon chike da ma cha de jolun ke je ko dong de mal de ben ta dan de na ko queen kwar ke je de dialti wa ken de kon be ken ka ugi alam shall diplomatic engagement gwalung a very important ko jen la nawya cooperate ka wi to goal ko ken ko kir cha gu jeno tele mi wen nyam ka je cha gu jeno jen ba jo pressure jen mutual ka je are witin wini mi gwadul kana mo ka Africa Union sambi na wala be kulo dwal ne ko ken na me de la je report dan gore de nyaa kon kel mi jiram jidit gwa sama ka Changfied YouTube channel goro jin be subscribe ka bi je nyaa ne ko ken en leer kon no gwata me ki chuje paru jino jin bi notification be al bi je twan comment mi she bre be shamala shubiji ani bi ataka mal bye bye